folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to do a virtual walk around for you on a 2010 GMC Acadia. It's all-wheel drive. It's white, gray cloth interior, rear entertainment, 82,000 miles on it. Part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Just a real clean vehicle, folks. Third row seating, well maintained. Rear headsets for the entertainment system. Very nice, very clean. We service all the credit tiers, good credit, bad credit, no credit. We got a program for everybody. We'll report your payments to the credit bureaus to help you establish, re-establish whatever your personal situation is. We're here 7 days a week. We'll pick a job letter for proof of employment. We work with tax IDs. If you can't get full coverage insurance, we've got a program for you, folks. Very flexible and very easy to do business here at 112. So come on down and take this baby for a test.